Hi and welcome back to Oh So Sweet. So in today's tutorial we're going to have a go at creating one of these little pouches. All you'll need is a little bit of cotton, a small zip, a little bit of iron-on interfacing unless you're using a very sturdy kind of fabric, and a little clasp as well. You don't have to use a clasp, you could possibly put a D-ring on there, but either way it would work quite well. So right, let's get started. Okay folks, so I've got two pieces of material, 4.5 inch by 9 inch, and they've also got interfacing on the back there. I've got a zip that's 20 centimeters, and I've got a piece of material here that is 1 inch by 2 inch, also with interfacing on the back there. And I've also got a little clasp there. So we're first going to get the zip up against the edge of our first piece of fabric, so I'm having that zip facing down. And then we're going to get the other piece so that the right side is facing the zip, and I'm going to sew all the way across. Okay, so once that's been sewn across, you can open up the two fabrics and just push them backwards like that, and then top stitch along the top of there. Once that's done, we can then open up those two fabric pieces, bring it so that the zip's in the middle, and then we're going to sort of sandwich that zip, so the raw edge of the zip, we're going to sandwich that between the remaining edge of the front fabric and the back fabric, just like that, and then we're going to sew all the way across the top of there. Okay, so what I've done here is I've just turned it the right way around just so I could top stitch across there. So this is how it's looking so far. We've got obviously the outside and the inside, and the zip closing quite nicely there. So what we're going to do next is we're going to just turn it the right way around. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have a go at just sort of flattening it and then sewing across the sort of sides. Now it's just a little bit tricky to sort of obviously have that zip in the middle. Don't have it fully closed or you will end up sewing the zipper out of the zipper area, so make sure that's in the middle. And what we also need to do is we need to prep this little piece of material just so it'll go through our clasp. So I'm just folding the edges inwards on this, and then I'm going to fold it in half and sew across the top just to secure it. Once that's sewn across the top, pop it through the clasp. Now we're going to place this clasp so that the clasp is on the inside, obviously because it is inside out at the moment, is our little wallet. Just place it about there, and then we're going to sew across there. Okay, so that's now in place, and we're going to do the same again on the left side. Just make sure there's a gap there just so we can turn it the right way round. So just keep that zipper slightly open. And do the same again on the left side. Okay, so that's now done. What I've also done is just kind of done a quick zigzag stitch over the edge. You can use an overlocker for that, or you can even use some bias. So let's get it the right way around now. Okay, so it's now the right way around. You can now get an iron, get that pressed, and that'll be ready to use. Okay folks, so hopefully that's given you an idea as to how to create one of these little pouches. So if you have any questions, anything you'd like to ask, please pop them in the comment section below. Please do like and subscribe, and thank you once again for tuning into Oh So Sweet. Okay folks, so hopefully that's given you an idea as to how to create no. Thank you so much for you an idea as to how to create one of these little pouch. Hi and welcome back to Oh So Sweet. Oh, I didn't do hands. Creating one with the